歡迎收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我係任敬央。美國有好多個州急於開採天然氣，尤其係蘊藏豐富嘅賓夕法尼亞州。石油公司話佢哋使用嘅技術安全可靠，能夠提供能源以及工作機會。只不過反對嘅人士就認為有關嘅技術對環境以及公共健康有害。下邊係我哋嘅記者斯科布爾嘅報導。
喺賓夕法尼亞州鄉村地帶嘅山邊，切薩皮克能源公司準備鑽井。公司商業發展總監格羅夫解釋話
：You'll see a large green wellhead. That is the well that's being completed right now.
格羅夫話：呢一種水力壓裂法使用縱向同橫向鑽井機械，鑽到地下1公里幾深嘅頁岩，然後用高壓泵將含有化學物質同沙嘅混合水流灌到井下，壓開頁岩，釋放天然氣。
Once that fracture happens, which is what we're doing right now, we're pumping that fluid to create that fracture network. We will then inject sand into the fluid.
每口井需要1500萬到2000萬公升嘅化學水。格羅夫話：切薩皮克能源公司全部鑽井作業係一個安全典範。但係對於呢一種水力壓裂法嘅懷疑卻急劇增加，尤其係喺美國環保局發表嘅一份研究報告之後。該報告發現，懷俄明州嘅帕維利恩市地下水受污染同呢一種水力壓裂法有關。賓夕法尼亞州嘅一個叫做淨水行動嘅民間抗爭運動領袖哈弗德維奇話，州內對呢一份報告特別關注。自2005年以嚟，賓夕法尼亞州已經發出咗4000份天然氣鑽井許可。
The concerns stem from air quality issues from transportation or open impoundments where they store this flowback water that has the chemicals and sand in it.
居民查普爾話：佢眼睇住一家天然氣公司喺佢屋企旁邊架設7口鑽井，興建一個廢物坑，卻束手無策。
So I kind of got caught in a bad spot here. It smelled like gasoline and kerosene. It made us very, very sick. It was 3 years of hell for us.
美國汽油獨立協會成員富勒話：業界嘅風險管理必須考慮到公眾健康及安全，但係佢唔想睇到就業增長受阻。
Where it's identified an issue, it's revised its regulations. So that's what Pennsylvania has done. It's been very effective in not only evolving its regulatory requirements and making them more restrictive in general, but it also has kept the economic engine of developing the Marcellus.
目前仲未有全國標準嚟監管鑽探開採天然氣作業，亦都冇基本研究嚟斷定日益增長嘅天然氣開採究竟點樣影響水質同空氣素質，以及應該點樣對付有關問題。麥金泰爾同麥金泰來反對用水力壓裂法嚟開採天然氣。佢話呢一種開採方法導致水污染、人生病。麥金泰爾喺麥克沃伊家同佢嘅丈夫以及一位抗爭運動組織者開會。
They came into town and now I don't have any water. I can't finish a load of laundry.
We're not shutting up. We're tired of it. We're tired of being used by this township. We're tired of being used by the drone company.
呢一種嘅抗爭1年幾以前就開始。當時力士能源公司喺佢哋屋企附近鑽咗10口井，設立咗多口廢水塘，安置咗1台壓縮機。
My fingernails started growing downward. My hair was falling out. I'd get dizzy.
天然氣公司測試過水質，結果顯示水中嘅砷同重金屬含量高，而測試麥金泰爾巴嘅結果顯示水中含有甲苯，呢個係一種同石油有關嘅有毒化合物。但係幾個月後再次測試之後，有關方面話水質安全，可以飲用。麥克沃伊同麥金泰爾並唔相信天然氣開採公司嘅測試結果。喺過去嘅1年嚟，佢哋發起草根階層宣傳運動，教育街坊。有1500人參加咗賓夕法尼亞州費城嘅示威集會，要求禁止喺馬塞勒斯油頁岩區開採天然氣。
This really is not just an environmental issue, is it? The answer would be no. It is as this sign says over here, it's a public health issue.
用水壓裂岩法開採天然氣呢一種嘅做法已經擴散到美國有33個州，擴散速度之快令霍爾維特深感擔憂。 佢係非牟利環保研究及活動組織環保工作組嘅資深律師。
We would like to see a moratorium on drilling near water supplies and on fracking near water supplies until we have some better science to know exactly what the risks are.
美國環保局喺發表有關懷俄明州嘅報告之後，而家將要完成一份重要嘅研究報告，要斷定水壓裂岩法對水質嘅影響。初步嘅調查結果預期今年公佈，到時可能導致新嘅聯邦監管條例嘅產生，並且喺國會乃至全國引發更為激烈嘅辯論。記者斯科布爾採訪報導。
多謝收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我係任敬揚，下次嘅節目時間再見。